Can't open messages on Facebook Messenger, problem solved. Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix the Facebook Messenger can't open messages. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find the messenger and click on it, and then click on first stop. After that, click on data usage and disable the roaming data. Go back again and click on the storage. It will start computing as you can see. Just wait a few seconds and click on clear cache. And last thing you wanna do is restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.